Every year, many trekkers go into the wild without a plan for emergencies, and sometimes it costs them their lives. Now, if you want to camp, you might be wondering how to prepare if you don't know where to start. If you don't know, Amazon offers many tools for such situations. Today, we'll show you some powerful survival gadgets. Stay with us, because even one right gadget can save your life in the wild. All the product links are in the description below. Number 30, Exotac Complete Repair Kit. With over 60 feet of strong synthetic braided line, it's perfect for repairing gear, crafting tools, or even setting up an impromptu fishing kit. The 50-inch heavy-duty repair tape is great for patching holes, acting as a makeshift bandage, or even doubling as tinder for starting a fire. It also includes a 16 sail needle, which can be used as an awl or thimble for sewing repairs. Lightweight and versatile, this gadget ensures you're always prepared for any outdoor challenge. Number 29, Zoleo Satellite Communicator. This small satellite device keeps you connected even when you're far from cell service. It links with your smartphone to send texts and emails through satellite, Wi-Fi, or mobile networks, using the cheapest option available with a service plan. In an emergency, you can send an SOS with your GPS location to a 24/7 emergency center. You also get a personal SMS number and email so others can reach you. It lets you check in as much as you want and share your location, even at set time intervals. Built tough with an IP68 rating, it lasts over 200 hours on one charge. Optional travel protection and affordable monthly plans starting at $20 make it a reliable choice for outdoor adventures. Number 28, Mini Survival Tent. This is small, like you can even handle it in your hand. Its weatherproof two-person emergency tent is perfect for any outdoor adventure, offering all-season protection in harsh conditions. It is created from tear-resistant polyethylene. It reflects 90% of body heat to keep you warm during winter treks. Lightweight at just 8.7 ounces, it packs down into a small sack. The versatile design lets you set it up between trees or use it as an emergency sleeping bag when necessary. It also includes survival tools like a loud 120 decibel whistle and a durable paracord for securing gear, making it an essential piece of gear. Number 27, Full Tang Hatchet. This hatchet is useful for emergencies and everyday outdoor tasks. It has a strong steel handle that includes a built-in pry bar for extra use. The blade is made from SK5 high carbon steel with a powder coating and a deep grind for strength. The back spike can break cinder blocks and cut through wood or walls easily. It is 11 inches long with a 3.6-inch blade, weighs 1 pound, and comes with a lanyard and a belt sheath shaped from thermoplastic. Number 26, Survival Fire Starter. This small survival fire starter is made to help you start a fire in any weather. It has a 4-inch rod that creates very hot sparks, up to 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, so it works well for emergencies, hiking, or camping. The striker is made from strong steel and can be used with either hand. It is waterproof and weatherproof and comes with a 5-foot cord so you can carry it easily. Number 25, Retractable Folding Knife. This retractable folding utility knife is built for durability and safety, featuring a folding blade that ensures storage and easy one-handed opening. The full metal construction is tough enough to handle drops and impacts, making it perfect for on-the-job tasks. It includes a Carbon Max razor blade that lasts up to 24 times longer than standard blades, so you can rely on its sharpness for a long time. The dual locking system adds an extra layer of safety, preventing accidental blade release. With its ergonomic handle and comfortable grip, it's ideal for tradesmen or anyone needing a reliable cutting tool. Number 24, Grappling Hook. This small capsule is about 2 inches long and fits easily on a keychain. It has a screw-on lid that keeps items like cash, pills, or other small valuables secure. Made from strong titanium, it's built to last and resist damage. A special seal keeps water out, protecting your belongings. It also comes with 3 attachable spikes that can turn it into a mini grappling hook, useful for carrying bags, fishing gear, or for self-defense. It can hold up to 132 pounds and can even be used as a toothpick for everyday needs. Number 23, Uncharted Rapid Raft. This is a small and reliable raft designed to be easy to use in different situations. It is lightweight, so it's easy to carry, but still strong enough for tough conditions. Made with watertight seams and durable materials, it works well for fishing, camping, hunting, or emergency water landings. Setup is simple: unbuckle, unroll, and inflate. After use, you can fold and roll it up, securing it with the clasp. A one-way valve lets you adjust air pressure and buoyancy buoyancy. Despite its light design, it can hold up to 400 pounds. Number 22, LuminAID Survivor Solar Charger. This inflatable solar lantern is perfect for camping, hiking, and emergencies. With adjustable brightness settings, it offers up to 600 lumens in turbo mode and can last anywhere from 2.5 hours to 130 plus hours depending on the setting. It's both solar and USB rechargeable, with a full charge taking just 2.5 hours via USB or 24 to 30 hours of sunlight. The lantern is waterproof and can even float. It includes 2 phone charging ports, providing a reliable 100 to 200% battery boost for your devices when you're off the grid. Number 21, Survival Solar Lighter. This solar-powered lighter uses mirrors to focus sunlight into a spark, making it possible to light almost anything quickly, even in tough conditions. It doesn't need gas or refills, making it an eco-friendly option for camping. It's lightweight and reliable, so you can carry it easily and use it whenever you need. By using the power of the sun, it works without disposable fuel, offering a sustainable way to stay prepared outdoors. Number 20. Ecoflow Portable Power Station. This portable power station is designed to keep your home or outdoor adventures powered up. With fast charging capabilities, it can reach 80% in just 43 minutes using solar or AC input. Thanks to its long-lasting LFP battery, you can rely on it for up to 3,000 charge cycles, making it more cost-efficient than most other options. With expandable capacity, you can increase storage from 2 kilowatt hours to 6 kilowatt hours as needed. It powers 99% of household devices, including high wattage appliances, and operates quietly, making it perfect for overnight use. Number 19, Survival Multitool Hammer. This versatile survival tool combines 13 essential functions in one design for outdoor adventures. With a hammer, wire cutters, hex wrench, bottle opener, saw blade, screwdrivers, and more, it's a must-have for camping, hiking, and DIY projects. Its non-slip handle ensures a secure grip even when your hands are sweaty, and safety locks keep everything in place when not in use. Built from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, it's designed to withstand tough conditions. Number 18, Survival Whistle. This ultra-powerful survival whistle is designed to cut through any chaos, delivering a piercing 125 decibels plus alert that can be heard over a mile away. Engineered with a single tube design, it's built to withstand extreme conditions like hurricane-force winds, mud, ice, or heavy rain without losing effectiveness. Made from durable brass, it's rust-proof, submersible, and corrosion-resistant, perfect for post-disaster situations where visibility is poor and communication is key. Number 17, Survival Nose Pliers. This 12-in-1 multi-tool is a game changer for anyone who needs versatility on the go, featuring needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a pocket knife, scissors, bottle opener, and more. It's built for convenience and durability. Made from tough stainless steel, it's designed to withstand everyday use and tough conditions. With a butterfly opening and locking feature, the tools stay secure when not in use. At just 2.75 inches closed and weighing only 2.2 ounces, it's small enough to fit on a keychain or in your pocket, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or everyday carry. Number 16. Pistol Tool. This 19-in-1 multi-tool is designed to fit right alongside your pistol, making it a must-have for any gun enthusiast. It's equipped with everything you need for quick fixes or adjustments, including micro Allen wrenches for laser sights, a pin punch for takedowns. It can easily fit into your mag pouch, so you're always ready when unexpected tasks pop up. You're at the range or in the field, you can rely on this tool to handle a variety of jobs, all while being easy to carry and use. Number 15, Carabiner Survival Multi-Tool. This heavy-duty Carabiner multi-tool is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. It combines multiple tools into one mini package, including a folding pocket knife, serrated knife, rope cutter, screwdrivers, bottle opener, can opener, and ruler. The twist lock mechanism ensures it stays securely in place, making it a safe choice for climbing and adventure activities. With its versatile design, it's easy to attach to your backpack, keychain, or belt loop, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or just handling everyday tasks. Number 14, Bochaos Rechargeable Flashlight. It offers 6 lighting modes, including a powerful T6 front searchlight that reaches up to 500 yards, and a lantern with red and white light options. Ideal for camping, hiking, and emergencies, it features an upgraded handle and hanging design for easy use. With a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery giving 7 to 10 hours of light, USB charging, IPX4 waterproof rating, and a durable ABS shell, it's ready for any weather. Number 13. Maxpedition Gyrfalcon Backpack. This tactical backpack is made from strong 1000D ballistic nylon, which is water and abrasion resistant thanks to a Teflon coating. It has a capacity of 36 liters and several pockets to keep items organized. There is also a detachable waist pack for quick access to important things. Padded shoulder straps and an adjustable waist belt help make carrying heavy loads easier. The backpack also has a MOLLE system, which allows adding extra pouches or gear. Number 12. Tactical Tomahawk. Designed for power and precision, this 15.75-inch axe features a razor-sharp stainless steel blade that swings fast and true. Lightweight yet durable, it's perfect for survival situations and emergency use. With its sleek black finish, it holds up under tough conditions. The included ballistic nylon sheath, complete with a belt loop, allows for secure, easy carry. Equipped with a flat edge for hammering and a piercing spike for chipping, it handles everything from small wood chopping tasks to emergency breaching. Plus, with a lifetime warranty, it's built to last and ready for whatever you throw at it. Number 11. BioLite CampStove 2. In an apocalyptic situation, staying warm and getting a fire going could be a matter of survival. That's where the BioLite CampStove becomes your lifeline. This device not only helps you start a fire for warmth or cooking, but it also converts the heat into usable power. The stove features a 3,200 milliamp hour battery that stores the energy generated, allowing you to charge your phone. To top it off, it has an integrated lamp powered by the battery to light your surroundings. The stove can boil 1 liter of water in just 4.5 minutes and with 4 fan speeds. Number 10. Bear Horn. Heading into bear country? This small safety horn can help keep you safe. It makes a very loud 120 decibel sound that can be heard up to half a mile, which is useful for scaring away wildlife. Weighing only 2.8 ounces, it's easy to clip to your pack and reach quickly. The horn has a strong drop-resistant ABS case and includes a built-in compass and thermometer for outdoor use. It also offers 3 sound modes: a sharp horn, a bear scare tone, and a deep animal roar. Number 9. Arctic Deep Freeze Cooler. Cooler is designed for convenience and performance, featuring a patented zipperless lid that flips open for quick access to your food and drinks. It keeps ice cold for up to 2 days and holds up to 16 cans, making it perfect for picnics, tailgates, or travel. The hard body liner with Smart Shelf helps separate hard and soft items so your sandwiches stay intact, while the Smart Shelf can be easily removed for extra space. With a comfortable adjustable shoulder strap and a water and stain repellent exterior, this cooler is built to keep your food fresh and make carrying it a breeze. Number 8. Survival Walking Stick. It includes 2 LED light modes, providing up to 400 lumens of light for nighttime activities and a flashing light for emergencies. Equipped with a 12,000 volt electric shock feature, it's an effective self-defense tool. The stick also has a built-in USB charging port to power devices like smartphones or cameras, and a USB fan for cooling during hikes. With a solar panel for recharging, it's eco-friendly and convenient. Made from durable aircraft-grade aluminum, it's adjustable in length and can also double as a walking cane for extra support. Number 7. LifeStraw Water Filter. This portable water filter is perfect for hiking, camping, and emergency preparedness. It effectively removes 99% of waterborne bacteria like E. coli and parasites such as Giardia, ensuring you have access to clean water wherever you go. It also filters out microplastics down to 1 micron and reduces turbidity, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. With a lifespan of 1,000 gallons of purified water, it's a reliable tool for your survival kit. Plus, every purchase helps provide clean drinking water to a school child for an entire year, making it an essential and impactful piece of gear. Number 6. Atomic Bear Bracelet. Stay ready for anything outdoors with this badass survival bracelet. It's got 4 must-have tools packed into 1 lightweight piece: a built-in fire starter, compass, emergency whistle, and about 12 feet of strong paracord. Use the paracord for tying stuff down, making shelter, or even quick fixes in the wild. The fire starter sparks up easily to help you stay warm when it really matters. The whistle's loud enough to get attention in a pinch, and the compass keeps you headed in the right direction. Adjustable and rugged, it's perfect for hiking, camping, or just gearing up for the unexpected. Number 5. Zune Survival Shovel. It has a locking system that lets you adjust the shovel head to 7 different angles with 1 hand. Made from strong martensitic steel, it can handle tough conditions, including saltwater and freezing temperatures. The tool includes a shovel, axe, saw, fire starter, whistle, bottle opener, rope, and more. Its handle is create with thick aircraft-grade aluminum with a non-slip non-slip grip. The shovel extends from about 24 to 35 inches and folds into a small pouch for easy storage in a car, truck, or backpack. Number 4. Patriot's Sun Kettle. It uses the power of the sun to boil up to 16.9 ounces of water, reaching temperatures of 212 degrees Fahrenheit in about 45 minutes, depending on sunlight. Lightweight and durable, it's made from shatter-resistant tempered glass and tough ABS plastic, making it easy to pack in a backpack or bug-out bag. It's small enough for personal use, you're cooking, making coffee, or simply boiling water in the wild. Number 3. Garmin GPS MAP. It works through the global Iridium satellite network, offering two-way messaging, SOS alerts, and location tracking, even in remote areas without cell service. It supports multiband GNSS for accurate positioning and includes sensors for altitude, weather, and direction. The 3-inch color display shows detailed topo maps, and with Wi-Fi, you can download extra maps and sync routes with your phone. It's a complete tool for navigation, safety, and staying connected in the wild. Number 2. Gerber Gear Stake Multi-Tool. This 11-in-1 tool has everything you need, from a plain edge blade and tent stake puller to a saw, scissors, and even a ferro rod strike for starting fires. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's lightweight and built to last, perfect for outdoor adventures. Its slim design allows it to easily clip onto a carabiner or fit in your pocket for quick access. You're camping, hiking, or tackling everyday tasks, this tool is a must-have addition to your gear. Number 1. Naturnest Rooftop Tent. This rooftop tent is perfect for 2 to 4 people, making it a great choice for Jeep, SUV, van, or truck camping. With a quick setup time of just 30 seconds, you can spend more time enjoying the outdoors. It's built to last, featuring a durable hard shell from high-density ABS and stainless steel, ensuring it withstands the elements. The tent is designed for all-weather use, with waterproof fabric, sun protection, and wind resistance. Inside, the 3.5 centimeter thick mattress offers excellent comfort for a good night's sleep. So, that's it for today. Tell us which gadget caught your attention the most. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.